Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the country informations in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the useful information button, and then click on the country information button. And as you can see at the top of the page, there are 226 country information available, so you can just search for it, or you can scroll down. And for example, if you want to know something on Canada, then just click on that. And here are some useful informations regarding like driving, speed limit, and maximum blood alcohol content when driving and things like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.